po din, palito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo Wii number 2 package po natin. So nakabit na rin po yung accessories that is also included with your package. On lang po natin yung ating Wii unit and lipat lang po tayo sa TV screen. So the package that you've chosen for this actually has over 250 games na naka-install. More than 250 plus games. Now to load your games, open lang po natin yung USB loader CFG. Now this item is going to Vanilla Dumaguete. These are the games that we have, Wii games. This is just for the Wii games na meron po tayo. So we have here yung mga Animal Crossing, Mario, ano ba, Just Dance, Wii Sports, Guitar Hero, and maraming pa pong iba. So open natin isa sa mga pinakamabigat na game for Nintendo Wii. Atin ko lang. Ito. Our Super Smash Brothers Brawl. Na-stress test na rin namin yung inyong unit. So this is just for our video demo para mapakita din po namin sa inyo. So, okay na po yung inyong order. Bali, papak na lang namin ito and then wait na lang din namin yung courier for pickup. O wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!